Welcome back. This should be quick. Let me do the one that I know is gonna hurt more first. You see, ooh, okay, this feels nice. It's not hurting me too much. That's a, ooh, okay, wait though. This is pretty. That little splash of orange on the side. Okay, the sides on this, it poured over a little bit, but I did go over on the top, and I think I have to find a way to go over on the top and not have spillage at the same time. That makes sense? So basically have it come like flush up top, but none to come on the sides, because this feels good on the top. It feels like, it actually feels better than that side. This is like smooth and like a dome-ish type. You can see probably from the glare. I'm obsessed with this though. This, I don't even know what color this is. It's like a bluish. Oh, I do know what happened with this. So it's like a bluish black, like a midnight. But like, we're gonna call this Aurora Borealis. Mariana Commodore? Anyways, that's one. Then this one's gonna be super easy. So, yeah. Okay, yes. All right, let me see something. Yeah, so it's supposed to be like a smoky quartz color, and I don't know about you, but I feel like it's definitely giving. I don't know if I might or that's my neighbors don't know, but the walls are thin. Anyways, obsessed. All right, so this and this. All right, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.